Good morning, children. Today, the first day, we are meeting once again. That is on 20th June 2020. The first day, let me go once again and look at one glance on a lesson of History 1, tracing changes through 1,000 years. Children, so far you have seen so many number of maps, different type of maps. So we are living in India. Let me see the history of Indian map. Who found this one? For what purpose? In what way and how it got a journey? Let me see from this lesson. So open your textbook, page number 1. Is given map 1 map. So look at this map, page number 1. Is made by the Arab geographer. Name was Al-Idrisi in 1154. See here this map I am showing here. This map was produced, explained in detailed way of the Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent. This is Indian subcontinent. But this India map borrowed from the larger map of the world. But this compare with this first map, and you see the page number map 2 also here. Another map you can see this map which we are using now is used by past also. This history also I will explain to you. This map history also I will explain. First let me take this is a map 2. We are comparing map 2 and the map 1. Map 1 map is borrowed, I told you, from the larger world map, and it was quite different with the map 2. Map 1 and map 2 is quite different, it's not coincide. The area of the map, this map 1 I am explaining here, the map 1, the area of map this was explained in Arabic letters, Arabic word, and see which the south part of island is visible in north, so provided it should be would have been in south, and it was South India is where we expect to be find North India, and Sri Lanka is the island at the top. It's quite little bit it is confusion. It's reverse map. The part of south is given in the north part is given into the south. And the place names was marked with the Arabic word. So, and another one is some well-known names. Kannauj, it is situated in Uttar Pradesh. It is situated in Uttar Pradesh. And this spelled is also quite different. Instead of Kannauj, it's written Quanauj, Q. Instead of K-A-N-A-U-J, it's spelled as Al-Idrisi, spelled as Quanauj, K-A-N-A-U-G. Now, this is the history of map 1. Now, let me take map 2. Map 2 was, this map 2 was is made nearly 6 100 years after first map. This map 2 was made after 600 years of map 1. So during by this time, this map name was changed. The formations about the subcontinent has changed, and this map was, it's given in your textbook, you see here, was made in map 2 was made in 1720 by a French cartographer, and rest of the history is given in the box. You can go through it. Map 2, it's given the subcontinent from the early 18th century, Atlas Norio of Guillermo de Izal. It's given the history about map to rest of the points. So the formation when it's made, second map, the formation of the words and informations about subcontinent had changed considerably, naturally. See, once we copy one map, for example, in your notebook, when you copy a map from another notebook, naturally there will be information will be little bit changes, person to person changes. So this map seems, this map seems we are using now, not only by us, but this was used by European sailors and merchants. Whenever they are in voyages, when they travel from one place to other place through sea routes, and they used to use this type of map while doing the trade. But there is little bit different. What is the differences between map and map 2? When you go through it, we'll get little bit fact was different confusion. What are those? Equally important is the fact that the signs of cartography are different in two periods. First of all, the cartography is two different. Map 1 and map 2 cartography differed from one period to the other period. And when historians read the information, the documents or maps and texts from the past, they have to be sensitive to the different background, different historical backgrounds, and contest the information was produced by the historians. So little bit sensitive to the different historical backgrounds. So today we'll come to know, we came to know the map of 1 and 2 in detail, the history, how they made it. So in the box is given, look at in your textbook, look at the areas in the interior of the subcontinent. On map 2, are they as detailed as those on the coast? Follow the course of the river Ganga and see how it is shown. Why do you think there is a differences in the level of detail and accuracy between coastal and island areas in this map? See here the coastal areas, because this map is very perfect, because they used to use when they are traveling, the purpose of voyages. So for them it's very accuracy route map is need to travel. So the coastal areas very perfectly, and see the river of Ganga, rivers, seas, which very perfectly they were designed. They were produced. This map was produced. In the next class already I gave the homework in the holidays. No need to be. Just you go through the map 1 and map 2 differences, and the name of the cartographers, historical cartographers of map 1 and map 2, that you have to remember. And next class will go little bit deep level. I'll explain so that you read the textbook. If any get doubts, please raise. Thank you, children.